Hi, I'm Erin. Thanks for joining me for another Embroidery 101 stitch tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the split stitch. Like the stem stitch, the split stitch is a modified version of the back stitch. You can check my previous videos for tutorials on the stem stitch and the back stitch. The split stitch is most commonly used for outlining, but I have seen it used recently as a fill stitch. It creates a thicker, bolder, and fuller line than the standard back stitch. Using all 6 strands is ideal for the split stitch. You'll start by making a straight stitch. It can be as short or as long as you like, but remain consistent with your stitch length. Next, you'll bring your needle up through the center of the stitch you just made. Then stab down to create another stitch. Then you'll bring your needle back up through the center of the stitch you just made. A good point guide would be the end of the stitch before last. I hope that makes sense. Continue this process until you've finished or run out of floss, and then tie off or complete your work on the back however you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please stay tuned for more Embroidery 101 stitch tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.